Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put items on sale on Shopify. This is a fantastic way to attract more customers and boost your sales by showing discounted prices directly on your product pages. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Products. This section is where all your store's inventory lives, and it's the hub for managing everything related to your product listings. Now you'll see a list of all your products. Go ahead and click on any product you want to put on sale. For this example, I'll be working with a product that has multiple variants, like small, medium, and large sizes. If your product has variants too, you'll need to select all of those variants first. To do this efficiently, select all the variants you want to discount and then click Bulk Edit. This tool is incredibly useful because it allows you to make changes to multiple variants at once, saving you tons of time instead of editing each one individually. Once you're in the Bulk Edit view, you'll notice several columns with different pricing options. Look for the column labeled Compare It Price. This is the key field that creates the sale effect on your product page. The Compare It Price is what Shopify uses to show the original price, which will then be crossed out next to your actual selling price, making it clear to customers that they're getting a deal. Let's input a value here. For example, type in $40 as the Compare It price. This tells Shopify that the regular price of this item is $40, even though you're selling it for less. Once you've entered the Compare It price for all your selected variants, click Save. Give it a moment to process and save all your changes. Now let's go back and preview how this looks on your actual storefront. Navigate to the Online Store section in your left sidebar. You'll see an eye icon right beside it. Click that eye icon to open your live store in a new tab. Once your store opens, go to the product you just edited. You should now see that the product displays the sale price alongside the original Compare It price, which will be crossed out. This visual cue makes it immediately obvious to your customers that they're getting a discount. And that's it. You've successfully put items on sale on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.